trained specially to make these baskets. Once they retire them, they do not remake them. The Longaberger Company was founded by J.W. Longaberger, and these baskets are highly collectible, highly sought after, especially up north and out west. They're used for lots of purposes. A lot of people don't like to use them because they are collector's items. They can get pricey. This particular collection is called the Traditions Collection. You had to collect it each year, and each year each basket was retired. They only made so many. This particular basket was signed by 6 of the original Longaberger family members, and the signatures are on the bottom. And that particular basket you would ask more for because it does have the original Longaberger signatures on it. This set here, I'm asking $350 for the entire set complete, which is absolutely a steal, because I can guarantee you I probably paid almost $300 for just one basket. They do tend to get very, very pricey. They have protectors inside them. You have to pay extra for the protectors. You have to pay extra for the liners. You have to pay extra for the handles. Longaberger doesn't really give you a break in anything because they do know that they're well worth it.